Okay, before we move on, I would like to show you how I check if all of these settings, all of these calibration and definitions are correct. So to do so, I will come to the 0 point. Wait a second, I just align on the screen that you can see both of them. So with the free ride mode, I'm just coming with the tool approximately to the 0 position. So what I'm doing right now, I just get the position with the robot, and here you can see already that it seems to be quite good. However, I will open up with F3 or with the options this window of the robot, and I take a look of the tool frame. I take a look of this value. So this is the tool frame with respect to the reference frame. That means the tool frame, the tip of the pan compared to this wooden plate, okay? So, and here you can see that this is 0.6, 0.9, 1.2. This is not perfect, okay? This can be even managed better. But for after a short time, this seems to be a very feasible result. So now I come to the position X, and I'm just with the jog mode. I can refine it a little bit. Okay, so same again, I just switch back to remote, then get position, and here you can see that the X value is 300, 0.1, 004. So this seems to be very good. If you want to really make it absolutely foolproof, then you can check out the last position as well, which I will finish in the local mode with the jog. Okay, so switching back to remote mode, and just update the position. And here you can see that, okay, this is a bigger distance, so this is 2 millimeters inside already, 210, this is correct, and 0 on the Z. So it seems to be everything fine. There should be 0 here in an Optium world. But nevertheless, for this purpose, for which we are looking for, this seems to be very good. So this is this was the control section, and then we will continue up. We will teach home position for the robot